Alright, YouTube, so I am in the car without my seatbelt on. And where we're about to go right now is to go put on the front. What's up, YouTube? Here we are back again at the channel, Dark Knight Garage, and I'm already inside of the car. As you can see the Hellcat, and what we have back there is the spoiler, the front chin spoiler. So I'm actually about to go put the front lip on this car. I'm about to go to TS1 and we're about to put that on. I got it from ZL1 add-ons and it was about, I think it was about $200 or $300, and it's pretty cool. Like, it has the flares that go up on the side or whatnot, so you all see all that. But it was one of the best ones that I could find that actually fit for my vehicle. You know what I'm saying? This is like my third one, literally my third one I have ordered for my car. Yeah, well, the second one, because the first one, it was broken, sent it back, got another one, didn't fit. This is the third one. About $300. I've actually saw it, not in person, but I saw it online, you know what I'm saying, on another wide body charger, and it looked crazy. All right, so that's the reason why I went with it. It took them a long time, extremely long time to ship, but it is here. It looks good, so definitely ready to put that on and see how the car's gonna look. That's actually like the finishing touches look wise, like as far as pieces go, as far as like, you know what I'm saying, actual exterior mods, this is the final one. Besides a wrap, I have been thinking about wrapping it now. Matter of fact, drop it in my comments or just DM it to me. What colors y'all think I should do if I do it, that I want to see. You know what I'm saying? What y'all think? Because you know what I'm saying, I'd be thinking about custom colors, and I'd be thinking about satin black. You know what I'm saying? Because the you know what I'm saying, the whole dark theme that I want to stick with, because I like black cars, you feel me? So y'all let me know what y'all think, or what color y'all think I should do, because as you all know, I did blue on the Mustang, so I don't really mind, you know what I'm saying, going a little bit crazy. So y'all just let me know what y'all think if I do wrap it. But as far as other exterior mods, this is it. I'm adding nothing else. Maybe wheels, maybe. But as far as exterior mods, this is pretty much it, man. So yeah, we're about to go put this on, and I'm actually gonna be able to see how the car looks with everything on. Gotta get this on today. I haven't even hit them up, so I'm hopefully, you know what I'm saying, hopefully they'll just go ahead and throw it on for me. But yeah, hopefully they do that. But that's where I'm headed. That wine is so loud. Whoa. I actually took the car out to Mexico like for the first time, so I'm gonna definitely try to get that uploaded for you all as well, so y'all can see all of that. Dang, it's packed over there, COVID testing. But yeah, so far the ride has been smooth with this car. I love it so far. It's been crazy. And it actually did pretty good in Mexico, you know what I'm saying? Better than I thought it would, being that it's completely bone stock, just to, you know, the LMI intake, which I don't think really makes that big of a difference. So besides the sound, and that's really the reason why I bought it, to be honest with you. But yeah, so it held up pretty good in Mexico, man. I hope I can get that uploaded, but I'm gonna holler at y'all as soon as we get there. It's not far, so as soon as we get there, man, I'm gonna hop right back on and show you all what's going on. All right, so here we are, TS1 Motorsports, Auto Works Motorsports, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, so you know, and the lip is actually the same texture as everything I got so far, so it's gonna look pretty sick. It's gonna go on the front. The Challengers, you know, they already pretty much have a lip coming from the factory, but the Chargers don't, man. So it definitely was a necessity, I feel, to add it. It made the car look way more aggressive, especially with it being on bags and being lowered. It looks crazy. So yeah, that's what we here to do now. Yeah, so this right here is it. It's still wrapped up, but this is the material. As you can see, it's the same. And it also comes with, you know, the side pieces, which will wrap up around the side of the actual bumper. So yeah, so that's gonna be pretty crazy, I think. I think that's gonna look real good on here. For sure. And then also with it being like that satin textured or whatnot, you know, it's gonna match all the little accents of the car. You know what I'm saying? The satin hood and everything, and the banner as well, all that. So that's gonna be pretty crazy. So I'm hoping that it'll be an in and out thing, and they can finish it well before the day is over with, so it'll still be daylight whenever I get it back, so I can, you know what I'm saying, give y'all some good content, good videos of it. So yes, now I'm just waiting on them to come out, look at it, and price me off. They actually do a lot of crazy builds, like wide bodies, wraps. They do a lot of different stuff here. And last time they got me in and out pretty quick, so that's what I'm hoping for this time. It's a lot of imports and things like that of that nature here, so it's kind of like their specialty. They do a lot of, you know, body work, fenders, chin spoilers, all types of spoilers and different things of that nature. So yeah, it should be pretty easy in and out. I just want to make sure it's secure well though too as well, because I had situations with friends and theirs have like came off, you know what I'm saying? But maybe it was from the installation, or maybe from the quality of the lip. So I hope this one has good quality and everything goes on fine. It's Infinity. That's pretty crazy. Wrap Infinity. Sheesh. I would about this Beamer on bags. It's pretty nasty too. Sheesh. I actually used to really want one of these too. That's the crazy part about it. With that lip, BBS's. Whoa, yeah, that's pretty hard. Rolling cage out back. Yeah, I actually used to really want one of these. Oh man, same type of spoiler that I wanted, like a trunk spoiler. And a carbon diffuser. Yeah, it's nasty. Yeah, it's just pretty nice. But yeah, I actually used to really want one of those. But yeah, it looks good. So yeah, so hopefully I can drop it off, and I'll be right back as soon as they grab it and take it in, and everything is figured out.
One eternity later.
All right, YouTube, so we are back, man. They got a lot of cars here, but we are back. Whoa. So I just saw it outside. It looked crazy, so I'm finna go show y'all how it looked once I get on up out of here. Oh, they got a turbo right there. We should add a turbo to the car. But yeah, it's a lot of stuff in here. A lot of different cars. It's pretty packed.
Hey, which one? And he used the high preset.
They got the Grand National.
On the GMX wheels, boy.
Yeah, this right here crazy.
That shit hard too.
Yeah. Yeah, it's crazy. Whoa. Dang, man. So, man. Yeah, I thought about getting an M4 too. It's not going nuts. Ain't that's crazy.
That's static.
Right here?
That's static.
Dang, that's crazy. This right here is iconic.
I'm waiting for Alfredo.
That up there.
Hey, use them over here too.
They got the Super in here. The Super go nuts. Oh, that's crazy. They got some crazy stuff in here though. I can't even cap. They got so many crazy cars. They had some crazy cars in here last time though when I came and pulled up. It's another M3 back there in the booth. Yeah, they got some crazy stuff though. Crazy. Shaded. Oh yeah, that look crazy.
But yeah, you see these spats? It came with extra spats, bro. See these?
Oh yeah. I was wondering why they gave so many. Oh yeah, that's hard.
You see these spats too?
Yeah.
The extra
Oh, that's hard.
I think they're the front.
Oh yeah, that's hard.
They're not in the front.
That's crazy though. right. Yeah, the lip look hard though.
Huh?
It look hard. Yeah, it's clean.
That shit beautiful, bro.
Yeah, that look clean. Couldn't even lie. That look crazy.
Hold on, little smoke again. I didn't even know you had this, bro. You had this before the Mustang?
Nah, I got this after the Mustang.
How long you had this one?
December the 4th. So let me check it.
This thing's so hard.
About 2-3 years.
You
Huh?
bought it in Atlanta, bro?
Nah, North
I
Carolina.
knew it, because in Atlanta, they only had a white one.
Yeah, they ain't have like black with red seats. And that was the exact kind I wanted. Black with red seats. So I went to North Carolina to get it. But it was worth it. Because I knew I wasn't going to find it here. And then they didn't kill me on the price. So it was cool.
Every time I see one like this on highway, I point it out, I'll be like, that shit hard. Right?
Yeah.
You paid 6.5?
Yeah.
Free.
Yeah.
Free. The one in Georgia, they was asking like almost 90
Bro.
for it.
For real?
White
Oh,
one,
hell
bro.
no. That's crazy.
They be paying fucking 58,000 for this base bullshit.
Oh, yeah, that's too expensive. For what, like the base Hellcat?
That white body.
Ah, yeah. Yeah, nah. That's what really made me want one. Was the wide body, yeah. I mean, the other, you know what I'm saying, the regular Charger's still cool, but I really wanted it after I saw the wide body. Yeah, that's... All right, so I just got the car back. Incredibly pleased. He wants some pics real quick, so we getting some pics. Middle of the street, slamped. Aired it out. But yeah, man, that look crazy good, man. I can't even lie. Yeah, so as I was saying, man, I am actually extremely pleased with it. You know what I'm saying? Now I just want to get out the car. When I get back, I'm gonna park it and check the stability of it, and make sure, you know what I'm saying, like it's on sturdy and it ain't gonna be flying off on the highway when I hit. You know what I'm saying? When I do the dash. So I'm definitely finna check that and make sure it's cool. But man, it looks crazy, and I want to really get you all some good videos with it and some good pics. So I'm actually finna head back, park up, and get some good vids. So I'll be right back. All right, so here it is, YouTube. This is the official splitter on the car. Walk around, the look, with it completely done. ZL1 add-ons. Yeah, man. So this is it. So on top of that, they also sent rear mud flaps. But yeah, all together, man, everything is this texture. It looks extremely good, man. It look crazy. So I'm pleased, man. So yeah, if you got a Charger, you know what I'm saying, check out ZL1 add-ons. If you got a Charlie, I think they got stuff for Challengers too. But yeah, so overall, this is the look of the car. And it's finally complete. Nothing else needs to be added. Side rockers, front lip, lowered, hood wrap, wing, the roof spoiler, as well as the wicker bill, light decal, As far as the look goes, I am pleased, man. It's all the way finished. I could add a diffuser, but I don't know if I will. So this is definitely the look I was going for. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, share this video with a friend. Follow me on Instagram if you're not already. DRKN1T3 on Instagram. And I'm gonna holler at y'all. Catch y'all next time.